Hi guys, Paul from Outdoor Furniture Ideas. Just like to talk about the Rio table today. Two commonly asked questions that I'd like to walk you through. First one being, how do you extend the table? So basically we have the extension panel that's stored underneath the table. So I'll just quickly demonstrate how that is removed. I'll just get those chairs quickly out of the way, and very easy to remove. So basically that slides out from either side. So you can basically slide it out from the side that I've taken it out or the other side. It literally sits on two guide rails underneath the table. To hold all the panels in, it's basically two pins on either side. So very simple. We just need to make sure that when we put in the extension panel, we put in the two lugs facing to the inside of the table. That gives the table panels the correct spacing. Yeah, so I'll just quickly put that down for a moment. Yeah, so when extending the table, so at the moment it's 2.1. We're now wanting to extend the table to 2.8. So all I simply do is I lift the table and basically pull it out. So we've gone 2.1 to 2.8, and now all I'm simply going to do is put the extension panel straight in with the lugs facing the inside, give it a little adjustment, and just lock off those two pins. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. That's 210, 280, the Rio table. This particular one, so the other thing I'd like to touch on is the aluminium tabletop panels, which is a commonly asked question. What's the difference between aluminium and the resin tabletop panels? So basically, the aluminium is a slightly thinner slat. It's a metal, powder coated aluminium metal, which you'll see on our website. That's a $700 option to upgrade any of the three colors to the aluminium panels. Otherwise, for $11.99 on the website, the normal Rio table is the resin, and you'll see it's the same structure in the table, which is a powder coated aluminium. The difference being the tabletop panels. So you're going from a thicker sort of wood grain fleck through the panel to a slimmer sort of brushed sort of aluminium finished. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or simply refer to the website outdoorfurnitureideas.com.au. Thank you.